In this video I'm going to show you how to hide your Snapchat score from everyone or from specific people. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat and get in your profile. For that, tap on your profile icon right here and then tap on that gear icon to open up your settings. Then scroll down and find privacy controls, and here select contact me. Tap on that and here you can switch between two options who can contact you directly on Snapchat, everyone or just your friends. And if you want to hide Snapchat score from everyone except your friends, select my friends option. So now only your friends will be able to see your Snapchat score. And if we go back here on your profile page, we can select add friends option, and here we can delete friends. And if we delete friends, the deleted person won't be able to see your Snapchat score. So just tap on that icon and delete friends which you don't want to see your Snapchat score. That's how it works, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.